I can't believe I got separated from the group. I have no idea where I'm at, and this storm's moving in fast. Whoa, let me grab it. Okay, so this could be a lifesaver. This GPS map was sent to me by Steve from Rugged Routes. Upon opening it up, you'll find the instructions on how to get the SD card loaded on the GPS unit. Flip to the next page where you'll find the SD card secured in a Ziploc bag or SD container. On the back of the case, you'll find a list of what the map includes. This one includes Imperial Sand Dunes Recreational Area sandhills with ratings, all the ranger stations, campgrounds, restrooms, wilderness boundaries, critical habitat closures, all the washes, off-highway vehicle boundaries, and all fee areas. The map is on a micro SD card and it comes installed in the SD card adapter. I'll remove it from the adapter and install it directly into the Lowrance GPS unit. And we close it, power it on. Once we get the map installed, we're going to have to set up the Lowrance to be able to see everything Steve did on his charts. So the first thing we're going to want to do is go to Chart Options. Once we're at Chart Options, you'll notice at the very bottom, Chart Source, See Map Demo 36. We want to switch that to Lowrance. And once we switch it to Lowrance, then we can go back. Then we're going to want to look at our view. And for our view, we want to look at Chart Details, and we want to make sure that is selected to full. From there, we'll go back and we want to look at Photo Overlay. We want to make sure that is set to full. Alright, so now as we zoom in, we'll start to see the detail of Rugged Routes map. So it looks like everything in purple here is off limits. So as we scroll through, you'll see all the purple color. Those are closure areas. So you're not allowed to ride in any of those closure areas. Coming over here, you'll see that this line of dots. As we zoom in on that, it's going to tell us what those are. And you can see those are the washes. So as we can see some other dots, we zoom in, and those are the restrooms. So this GPS card has a lot of detail on it. So as I zoom out again, I wonder how many washes there are. Well, there's wash 26. We're up to wash 42. I had no idea there was this many washes until just now. And wow, wash 92, that looks like to be the end of the washes. So if I want to zoom out, I can quickly scroll back, navigate my way around here. And I have some other inputs up here. We have the Glamis Beach Store. We have Glamis Flats, Palo Verde Flats. Great detail. We have Competition Hill, Osborne Overlook. And we have, I believe I inputted this one, K12, one of the highest points. The nice thing about this is you buy this map from Rugged Routes, you have all the main stuff already inputted on it, and then as we find more stuff out in the dunes, you can plot and chart all your waypoints right over top of this map, so you have everything in one spot. So there's Cement Flats, more restrooms. Chula Ranger Station has the pads documented on it. One thing, you have kids, they got to go to the restroom. You got to find it in a hurry. Find it, plot your map, set your trail, and be guided right to the restrooms. All the pads, once again. Roadrunner, China wall, the ceiling. So all the destination spots, a lot of them are already on here for you. And it's not limited to just Glamis. It goes all the way through the entire section of the dunes, all the way out to Gordon's as well as Buttercup. We have Dunes Vista. As I zoom in here, there's Midway, Grayswell, Dune Buggy Flats, Plank Road. We have all these blue dots. There's more restrooms. There's South Comp Hill, Buttercup Valley, Buttercup Ranger Station. This thing is detailed, and Test Hill over on the Gordon side. Once again, the purple areas are dune closures. Don't get caught riding in those areas. We have Patton Valley. So this thing is full of all sorts of good information. One thing you do not want to do is get lost while you're out in the dunes, and next thing you know, you're running out of gas trying to find your way back to camp. These things, the GPS units and these maps, are lifesavers. I wouldn't recommend going off-roading without one. Now, I know we don't all just off-road in the dunes, so I want you to know that Rugged Routes has all sorts of GPS routes and maps for trails all through northern Arizona as well as California. So if you're interested, head over to ruggedroutes.com and take a look at all they have to offer.